Welcome back to EV Insider. Today we've got something that's turning heads and sparking debate. The 2025 Corvette Stingray C8 Pickup. Yes, Chevy has created a Corvette with a truck bed, and no, it's not a fever dream or an aftermarket conversion. This is a production model, and it's every bit as wild and awesome as it sounds. We're going to break it all down from engine specs and performance to the design decisions, interior upgrades, advanced safety features, and how it fits into the market from a pricing standpoint. Let's dig in. The exterior of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray C8 Pickup is nothing short of audacious, a striking combination of form, function, and futuristic flair. At first glance, it carries the unmistakable identity of the 8th generation Corvette, with its wide, low-slung stance, aggressive front fascia, and chiseled aerodynamic lines that carve through the air like a jet fighter. The long nose and sharp creases channel airflow efficiently into the large side intakes, cooling the engine mid-mount behind the driver, while also enhancing high-speed stability. But what truly sets this model apart is what happens behind the cabin. A beautifully sculpted, fully integrated pickup bed that blends so seamlessly with the car's muscular rear haunches, it almost feels like it was always meant to be there. Around back, the LED tail lights retain the signature C8 boomerang shape, but they've been subtly reworked to extend slightly outward, giving the rear a wider, more planted look that complements the added utility. Integrated LED light strips animate with start-up and signaling sequences, while the quad-exit exhaust and aggressively sculpted diffuser make no secret of the performance underneath. Step inside the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray C8 Pickup, and you're immediately immersed in an environment where performance precision meets high-end refinement. The cabin is a true cockpit, not just a figure of speech, with a driver-centric layout that wraps around you in a sculpted flow of leather carbon fiber and intuitive design. The dash cascades toward the center, dividing the space with a bold vertical spine of tactile switches and climate controls, while the squared-off suede-wrapped steering wheel offers a commanding grip with integrated performance controls right at your fingertips. Front and center sits a 12-inch customizable digital instrument cluster, feeding you real-time performance data, navigation cues, and driver assistance alerts with razor-sharp clarity. Flanking it is an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Chevy's latest software. Fast, fluid, and seamlessly connected with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated voice commands. The available 3LT trim elevates the space with a stunning new habanero interior theme, infusing bold, fiery orange accents across the dash, seats, and door panels. A dramatic contrast to the black leather and metal trim that dominate the cockpit. The heart of the Corvette C8 Pickup is what you'd expect from a performance legend. A 6.2-liter, naturally aspirated LT2 V8 engine mounted midship, just like the regular Stingray. This engine punches out 490 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. When you opt for the Z51 performance package, you get a bump to 495 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. This translates to a blistering 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.9 seconds. For context, that's faster than most supercars on the market. And yes, this still has a usable truck bed behind the cabin. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission makes shifting effortless and rapid, while the engine delivers a smooth, confident power curve, whether you're accelerating from a red light or pushing triple digits on the track. Speed without safety is a deal-breaker, but Chevy's made sure the C8 Pickup has your back. Standard safety features include rear cross-traffic alert, side blind zone alert, and rear park assist, making tight parking and highway lane changes much safer, especially with the modified rear visibility due to the truck bed. Higher trims and packages introduce more advanced options like the HD rear vision camera, a performance data recorder with dashcam-style playback, and the rear camera mirror system, which replaces the traditional mirror with a full digital feed from the rear. Automatic emergency braking lane keep assist and forward collision alert are available as part of Chevy's driver assistance suite, helping make this performance vehicle safer to daily drive. This isn't just a car built for speed, it's been engineered for real-world driving with confidence and peace of mind. So how much does a Corvette with a bed cost? Pricing starts around $74,000 for the base 1LT trim, which includes the standard V8 engine, dual-clutch transmission, and base features like the digital cluster LED lighting and premium audio. Step up to the 2LT trim and you'll be in the low $80K range, unlocking upgrades like the head-up display, heated and ventilated seats, wireless phone charging, and enhanced safety tech. Go all out with the 3LT trim, which includes the stunning habanero interior, upgraded leather, and performance tech, and you're looking at $89,000 to $95,000 depending on your chosen packages. The Z51 performance package adds around 6,000, but includes massive upgrades, better brakes, performance exhaust, improved cooling and electronic limited slip differential, and performance tires. All things you absolutely want if you're serious about track time. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray C8 Pickup is not a gimmick, it's a game changer. In a world where performance and utility rarely intersect, Chevy dared to ask, why not both? This is a mid-engine sports car that can haul your lifestyle along with it. Whether you're carving corners on the weekend or heading to a bike trail with gear in the back, the C8 Pickup delivers on both fronts. It doesn't compromise, it redefines. Some might call it controversial, others might call it brilliant. But one thing's certain, the Corvette C8 Pickup isn't just a bold idea, it's a new era for American performance cars. And maybe, just maybe, it's exactly what the future looks like. Beyond the specs and style, the real magic of the Corvette C8 Pickup lies in how it drives. It's not just fast, it's engaging every input. From the steering to the throttle feels sharp, intentional, and alive. The chassis has been finely tuned to balance the weight distribution, even with the pickup bed in back. And the result is a ride that stays composed, whether you're slicing through mountain curves or cruising city streets. Magnetic ride control helps smooth out rough surfaces while still keeping the car planted in corners, giving you confidence to push harder and drive longer. It's a machine that rewards spirited driving, but doesn't punish you for using it every day, and that duality is what makes it so unique in today's market. Then there's the response it gets from the public. Drive this thing anywhere and heads will turn, questions will fly, and phones will come out to snap pics. Some see it as a bold new chapter in Corvette history. Others are just trying to figure out what it is, but everyone agrees it's impossible to ignore. Chevy has crafted a vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations, it defies them, and creates conversation in the process. The C8 Pickup isn't about playing it safe, it's about pushing forward, blending power, design, and function in a way no one saw coming. But now that it's here, it feels like it was meant to be all along. In the end, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray C8 Pickup represents a new kind of automotive thinking, one that refuses to be confined by tradition. This isn't just a Corvette with a gimmick, it's a functional, high-performance machine that meets modern lifestyle needs without compromising what makes a Corvette so special: speed, agility, and attitude. Chevy's willingness to blend performance with practicality has created something rare, a sports car that's not afraid to get its hands dirty. Whether you see it as the ultimate weekend warrior, a supercar with extra storage, or simply an audacious engineering flex, there's no denying that the C8 Pickup brings something completely fresh to the table. It pushes boundaries, and in doing so might just set a new standard for what a sports car can be. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the bold and brilliant 2025 Corvette Stingray C8 Pickup, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Is this the future of performance vehicles, or is it a stretch too far? Drop your opinions down in the comments, we read every single one. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our next review, test drive, or automotive adventure. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your wheels spinning, your engines roaring, and your mind open to what comes next.